One of the questions I hear a lot, particularly from new clients, is, how's my case going to come out? What's going to happen? And the truth is I can give you an educated guess, but I don't actually know what's going to happen in your case. Every case is different. Every case is the same. I had a case this morning that we finished up. It's a great example. My client came to me. He had been drinking. He was driving. He turned left at a stop sign, and somebody plowed into him. He left the scene in an ambulance. They did a blood draw that he agreed to, and he spent several months recuperating from the accident. When he came to see me, I thought, given that there had been an accident, that he'd been drinking, by his admission all afternoon, that he might need a certain level of supervision that was way up here. I suggested a couple of things that I thought might help him both legally and personally, and he followed those suggestions. And over the course of the year or so that we've been working this case, he has changed radically. He's become a very responsible, sober member of our society, and has done everything that's been asked of him by the court, by his probation or his pre-probation officer. Been a marvelous person to work with. And I would have told you that this person was either going to go to prison for this is a multiple DUI person, or was going to be on one of the highest levels of probation that the state has to offer. When we finished up the case today, he was on a suspended sentence. He'll be supervised by the Department of Corrections. He has to have one of those alcohol sensors put on his vehicle, as he should. But the case went radically differently than I would have told you it was going to go at the very, very beginning. And that's the way all these cases are. Things change. In this particular case that I'm saying, we've had three different district attorneys working on this case. We've had three different judges working on this case for various reasons. And I can't tell you what's going to happen. I can't read the future. If I could read a future, you wouldn't be seeing me here on Facebook giving these videos out, I promise you. I'd be, what does Ron White say? You all could find me over with my new friends. Yeah, that's how that would work. Anyway, I don't mind you asking me, what do you think is going to happen? And I don't mind telling you, but you need to know that that's not etched in stone. That's merely my opinion based on having done several hundred DUIs in this case. And that's what I think is going to happen. And then we find out as we go along what's actually going to happen. So if you find yourself with a DUI or any kind of criminal problem, please give me a call. My name is Robert Carter. I'm a criminal defense attorney in the state of Oklahoma. I can be reached at 405-236-1800, and we would love to help you.